Come on, Tuck. Let's go. So here we are in Rhode Island. Another snowstorm in March. Taking Tucker out for a walk. They're calling for 11 to 12 inches. Another northeaster. So anyways, this is what it looks like today. It's about March 12th or so. I don't know. I'm not even sure what the date is today. But caught up on my sleep and thought I'd make a quick video of what March is looking like here in New England. Every year I say this is going to be the last year that I'm spending in Rhode Island in this kind of weather. But that doesn't seem to hold up. Because here we are again, 2018. Hoping that Mr. T will find a place to poop. Not going much farther. All right, buddy? I hope wherever you are watching my video, you're not someone that I know where I get to see on a daily basis. You're in a warmer climate. You just happened to stumble under my or across my video because you thought you were having a bad day because it was raining or it was too hot to go outside, or yeah, I don't know, you're just having a shitty day because you might have to cut some grass. But this storm is supposed to pretty much continue until about 8 o'clock tonight. From what I gather, it looked like it was snowing in Virginia last night too. And yeah, not very good. So maybe this will be the last storm, maybe it won't be. I don't want to curse myself, but we will see what happens. In the coming weeks, because I'm ready for summertime stuff. All right, Tucker, you're really aggravating me now. All right, Tucker, that's it. You've been hitting that spot for 3 days now, and it's not warm out. Let's go. We're going home. I'm gonna shovel off that path a little bit and have some coffee. Come on. Unless you're intending on pooping, buddy. So took Mr. T for a ride in the truck yesterday. He was absolutely great. Took him in the old doggy store. He was hand fed by one of the staff members, which a year ago he didn't have any real manners as far as doing things with strangers. But we have crossed the line between a good dog and a misunderstood dog. I hope I got that on film, because he's running for the door. You gotta go around just the way I do. I'm not walking on the grass. Show some discipline. What are you, 101st? Get over here. Walk around that damn bush. Of course, that's just a joke about the 101st. My father was in the 101st. But anyways, get up the stairs, and hopefully this is still recording. Maybe. All right. Hey, Elaine, I'm gonna need some assistance.